Okay, for Poll Everywhere, it was very easy to log in and create an account for myself. And when you get in, you can go in and you can create your questions. I already have 2 questions created here in which I had some volunteers respond so that I can talk through the different parts of it. To create a question, you simply click on Create. There are all kinds of different questions you can do, multiple choice. You can create word clouds with them, kind of a Q&A setup. You can have them rank things in order. You can put images in if you wanted to have them pick different pieces, or there's all kinds of different academic settings with the questions that can be used. Then a survey and open-ended, and then there's even more that you could work through that you could use very easily within class. I used today's kind of as an exit ticket with a review group that I was doing. So I had 2 questions created. When I open the question, this is the response that it gives in real time. So as soon as students are answering, it immediately is putting their feedback back up here, so they kind of get an idea. If you answered expository text at 29% of the class and 71% answered fables, it might be something that they want to keep an eye on. It gives me instant feedback as the teacher, because I would know that, okay, for the most part, people got this concept. If this were reversed and, you know, this was the wrong answer, then that would give me instant feedback that I need to work, go back and retouch that. Another thing that I like down here, you can set up a timer. And if you want them to have 10 seconds, you can put them on there, click the timer, and then it's going to take their option off. So they can't go back and try to change answers or wait and, you know, answer based on what other people are answering. When I'm ready, I go right here. This provides the poll link that you can give your students, that it will activate it on the page for them to answer on. They can also send it in via text. And then when I am ready to go back and look at their responses, I can go over here and it'll tell me that I had a total of 7 students, 5 answered this one, fables, which was the correct answer, and 2 answered. Then it tells me exactly how they responded. All of them used the link. And then I can go through, and if I go down a little bit further, I can see their individual responses. And so then I know these are the 2 people that missed them. I can go through and look at the live chart again. I can pull that up and review it with my students if I want to do a follow-up activity with them. So Poll Everywhere is very easy to use. It gives instant feedback, not only to you as the teacher, but also to the students. You can also go in, and if you would like to insert interactive questions to use in the middle of a PowerPoint presentation for a lecture or a notes section, you can do that as well. So it's very versatile, that can be used very easily within the classroom.